welcome to Joy and the channel. Tonight we're going to cook fish, but I'm not going to cook because Kenneth's gonna help me. Because today is my birthday, and he said he's gonna help me. And I'm tired. I worked last night, and today is my only day off. And he said, "Mom, how can I help you?" And I said, "Well, I just don't want to cook tonight for dinner, so we're going to cook." And so I'm here, and then he seasoned that, and so we're going to. I'm gonna let him do it. So because he's practicing, he needs to practice. He's actually helping. He's very helpful. He's helping me a lot. He did. He washed dishes. So now we are going to cook fish. Okay.
I'm gonna set this to 400 degrees.
Preheat the oven to 400 degrees. So bake.
Oh, bake.
Yeah, bake.
Me.
Press bake. And then going to 400 degrees.
Oh.
There you go. And then start.
Start.
There you go. And then, so while preheating, so you have to prepare the fish. So not yet. You have to spread this one, like doing that, so that way it won't stick. Okay, now put it back here. Now that. Okay, make sure they'll fit. Okay. Alright. So, hold on. So this one is all-purpose. We're just gonna use the all-purpose seasoning. Shh. Okay. Can you? Yeah.
Like this? Not good at cooking or doing this.
Well, you're practicing, so that's how
So hard.
you have to practice. See? Just do like that until you get it out. Okay. Let me see. Okay, that's good. And then garlic. Can you just put garlic too? Garlic powder.
How do I open this? Oh,
Okay. So.
Alright. And then just do the same thing.
Just sprinkle it.
There.
And then the other one, did you sprinkle the other one?
Yeah. Rosemary.
Yeah. Okay. So Kenneth, go get the salt. Yeah. And sprinkle the salt. Make sure don't sprinkle too much because it's gonna be salty. No, not okay. Yeah, that one. Just sprinkle that like that. Oh, too much.
I didn't mean to.
That's enough.
Oh.
Oh my goodness. Okay, that's fine.
My bad.
I'm just gonna do this one because it's too much. And then put the butter, like just on the top. Okay, just right there. Yeah.
That's all?
More. Put more butter.
There.
So like that. And so how is it? Are you learning now?
I guess.
Okay, so it's just easy. So it's still preheating, so we have to wait for a little bit. It should be ready soon. Okay, so the oven is going to cook. Kenneth, come here. So Kenneth will cook carrots. It's his first time. So turn on the burner. Put in number 8. Or just put in high for now. So that way it will. Okay.
Butter.
So don't put butter yet or anything oil, because look at this. You need to dry this off. So you have to heat it up.
Just wait it for it to dry.
Yeah. Now put the butter.
Pick it up.
Yeah, just pick it up. Whoa. No. It was keep it. Oh shuck. Okay, put the carrots here. Put the carrots. All right. It's his first time. Kenneth's first time. What do you guys start frying? It's his first time now. Can you mix it? Mix it together. Yeah. Okay. Okay, keep mixing it. Okay. I think this is done. Okay. The 10 minutes is done, but it's still not cooked yet. So add the timer. Add time. 10 minutes. There you go. And then this is gonna be almost done. So Kenneth will he will cook garlic rice. So he's gonna make garlic rice. And this is our rice. This is organic rice. And and he's going to cook garlic rice. So are you ready to cook?
Yeah.
So okay. Put oil like this. Okay. And there. So you have to make sure the oil is warm, okay? Before you put garlic.
Okay.
Alright, Kenneth, it's ready, and put garlic there.
Okay.
Okay. Down. Now stir it. Okay, keep stirring it.
Is it supposed to get hard?
Yeah, it's supposed to be like that. Okay, let me see. So just, it's almost there, almost done. Make sure it's like golden brown, and you can smell it too. The aroma of garlic. When you cook it. Do you like cooking?
Yeah.
Okay. So you have to put rice. Okay.
Yes.
Now scoop the rice. Put it there. Okay.
The whole thing?
It depends. We'll see. And add a
Oh,
little
man,
bit.
I got
Okay.
some.
Okay.
My bad.
Get it. Yeah, I think that's enough. And then now stir it. Make sure you hold it. So this is my handsome son. My son, Kenneth. His name is Kenneth. And he's cooking. And he's cooking for my birthday. So now
I actually
he's...
wanted to help.
Yeah. Because you're what?
Because I actually wanted to help.
You want to help. Keep stirring it. It's so noisy.
Mine?
Yeah, the way you stir it.
Well, I'm sorry.
Okay,
Just
hold on.
drag.
Alright. Now, add some salt. Not too much though. That's enough. Okay.
I already messed it
No.
up.
Yeah, no. Now stir it. And then put in the low heat. The fish is done too, I think. Alright, I think that one is done. Let me see. So I just added basil too. Okay, now turn it off. This one is done. Now take out, so the fish, I think the fish is done. Let me see the fish. Right here.
Too scary. I hurt myself.
Now take it out. Take it out. Careful, it's too hot. Okay. Now, okay. Close the oven. Now, what do you think? Ooh, look at this one. So
Oily.
cute. No, actually, that is...
What's supposed to happen?
That's the batter.
Oh.
It's baked battery salmon. Battered salmon. That looks yummy. And then this is the garlic rice and salmon. Ooh, looks good. So how was the cooking? Was it easy?
It's okay.
It's okay?
Yeah. Nice.
Was it hard?
Yeah.
See, so you have to learn how to cook. And this is, don't hold it, that's all.
Forgot. Forgot.
Okay. So this is
Yummy.
this is the rice and the carrots and the garlic. So this is what Kenneth cooked.
I
Good.
cooked everything.
Good job. I'm so proud of you.
Thank
Love
you.
you now.
Love you too.
Cake and Scat and the kids, they made some cake for my birthday.
No. Stop.
Yeah.
For my dad.
He was
Yeah,
the
he
man
did. They looks
made
really good. So he made
Nice,
forgot.
Daddy.
This is Japanese cheesecake. It's like
really good.
Did anyone
Thank
say
you.
cheesecake?